Every day, Jim and his wife Amy go to the work together by Jim's car. On the other side, Cindy have an appointment in the hospital today. But suddenly, on that beautiful day, the weather became dark, and the clouds start to rain lightly. Unfortunately, the street covered with water, so no one can move or cross the street.
Oh my God! How can I cross the road now? Let me call someone to help me. I will be late. Good morning, sir. Can you send someone to help me, please? I have necessary appointment and I cannot go out.
Okay, miss. I will send someone to help you now. Goodbye.
Now at my rest time. I will solve her problem after the break.
But, on the other hand, Jim and his wife are still stuck.
How can now we cross the road? We are very late.
I have an idea. There is a new application for the Ministry of Public that can help us a lot. Just we need to send a video for them or alert message. And then they will respond the call. And come for us quickly to suction all the rainwater.
Oh my God, let's do it.
Let me now send it for them.
But, Cindy until now, waiting for someone to help her.
Oh. No one answered me.
Thank you for helping us and answer our response quickly.
Most welcome. I think by this application a lot of problems will solved quickly. So this will help our society in many ways.
This is the point, and thank you again, sir. I'm really late of the appointment. I will call them again.